You know what is this? Is a tangerine peel. You know, maybe you're not. Yeah, you're not from the only Chinese using this one. Even Philippine never cook this for never put this one for the food. You know, this is a tangerine peel dried. It's a dried tangerine peel. But you know, in Chinese, they put this one for cooking soup. They put this one and for the fish also. When you steam the fish, if the fish is very fishy, like you shredded this one, then put on the steamed fish, then they smell like it's a, it's a tangerine.